All right, the next one we have is the slide in, okay? And I want you to look over here and see what happens because you're going to see a preview of it when I click on it and I'm going to do the setup. You'll notice that it just slides over. So this thing, you're on a website, it slides over. Once again, you can customize this. You can even spell it correctly. You can customize this to whatever message that you want. And then, very similar, you can decide how you want it to look, what the colors, make it match what you're doing. Button text, same thing. All this stuff is customizable to fit yours. The send messenger one or the box, it kind of depends what you think works the best. I always just do send messenger. I just want to make it simple and do that. But I think what's nice is when you do the checkbox, it is kind of like a double. It automatically does it, but I don't know why it would actually do that without it. Then what you have is you can do the different colors there. The size of the button, maybe you need a little bit smaller, maybe you need a little bit larger. And now the reason that you would do maybe a little bit smaller is that you can actually drop and drag a picture in. You can put anything you want. So if I just want to take one of my logos and let's pick one that, put that one. Now we'll just click that. Bam, it goes in there. Now you'll see once it goes in there, I can change. Maybe I want it to be here. Maybe I want to be down here. And that's going to be why you could also change it where it slides in. But then that's why also over here with the button, maybe that was too big, too small, whatever would work. Same thing over here. When does it display on the scrolls? And everything else is pretty much the same as before. So then submitted state, again, you're able to change the look of it, whether it goes to a URL, the background. Once again, you can drop and drag a picture in here on the thank you page. The opt-in, again, it's the same thing. What I like is if you just see what I just did there, I did edit and it goes, you're not ready yet, you got to save it. So a lot of times what you'll know is that I didn't save it or I didn't activate it, and that's why it's not necessarily working. But then we go in here, same thing. We'll go over that in a different, when we break out how these things work. But the opt-in's the same thing. And then your setup, once again, you've got that JavaScript. The nice thing is you can hide on certain pages or only show on certain pages. You can say whether it's only mobile, desktop, whatever. You may actually have a different sized, like you might have like a smaller button and a smaller words or something different on a mobile than a desktop. You may have that. And then you just install the JavaScript, copy it, put it on your website, and you're good to go. So that right there is the slide-in.